My name is Samantha Luke, and I'm the Customer Success Implementation Manager here at Wherefour. Many of our customers talk about how easy it is to track their inventory within Wherefour. It's hard to scale your business just relying on spreadsheets. And I want to show you today how our customers use the Wherefour inventory module to track their inventory. As you log into Wherefour's inventory module, you'll see some categories and filters which you can use to organize your inventory items. I've filtered here for just my raw materials to try and understand what my current on-hand amounts are. As I scroll down, I'll see a high-level view of my quantities on hand. Items that are below their reorder point will show in orange or in red if they're completely out of stock. And if I click into my detailed view, I'll see more information about what's currently in use, what's on order, and what's being transferred to my inventory. For example, I currently have 79 pails on order from my vendor. I'm using 500 ounces in production, and I have 50,000 ounces that are being transferred to this location. And that's it. These are some of the views that are key ways to leverage information in Wherefour and manage your inventory.